How many types of quotes are there?
Quotes are three types. Single quotes are double quotes or triple quotes.
And triple quotes. Okay. Right. Suppose one string is there. St equal to Python capital letter. Narayana small letters.
Okay.
Uppercase, lowercase. In the output, I want Python lowercase, Narayana uppercase.
Capitalize are users. We use in capitalize.
Capitalize function.
Works.
Swap case.
Swap case we use. Tell me, program.
St dot swap of swap brackets.
Swap or swap case function.
Swap or swap case.
Both
swap
possible.
case.
Swap case only.
S dot swap case. So answer will be
Python small letters and Narayana capital.
Capital letters. Okay, fine. Suppose st equal to Python space Narayana. In the result, I don't want Python space. I want only Narayana. Only Narayana. What we do?
Sir, Narayana space.
Actually st equal to Python space Narayana. Python space Narayana. Okay. In the result, I don't want Python space. We want only Narayana. Only Narayana. Then how?
Replace.
Replace. Remember how replace we use?
St dot replace. Strings. Replace.
Replace of?
Replace of Narayana. Python. Comma.
Python comma?
Empty, sir.
Empty space, right? Repeat again. St dot.
Replace. Python. Empty.
Python space. Because I want to remove Python space, right? Okay, good. The same string equal to st equal to Python Narayana. Okay. Now wherever n is there, all lowercase only. Python lowercase, Narayana lowercase. Wherever n is there, I want keep x.
Replace.
Then replace. What we do?
N replace of a string dot replace of n comma x.
So wherever n is there, replace with the x. Okay. Next again same string st equal to Python Narayana, right? So I want split wherever space is there. Then which function we use?
St dot split of courses. In course we give space.
Space. If you don't give anything in the course in the split, then the same question is saying that st data split of inside quotes space. If you don't give any delimiter, no space giving in the bracket, then
I don't understand. Right.
So the string is st equal to Python st equal to Python Narayana. So he said that st data replace of. So he said that within the brackets give the space like this. Correct?
Yes.
Now my question is if you don't give any delimiter inside, just only empty brackets.
It's errors.
Errors. Sure. Why?
A empty specific character is including replacing some.
You have to use specific character.
Including specific character.
If you don't do anything, error will come.
No, sir. Same string will be.
If you don't give anything within the brackets, so this is which function? Split, right? Split. If you don't give anything in the brackets, then
our input will be the
same as this. Sure.
The default space, sir.
Default is the space. If you don't give anything also inside the split, the default is what? Split only. Next one. Suppose one list is there. List contains 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Again 10, 20, 30, 40. List contains 10, 20, 30, 40. Again 10, 20, 30, 40. Huh? Then how to remove the first 10 now?
Remove functions.
Remove function. Tell me full. LST equal to that list is there.
LST dot
Mm.
remove.
Mm.
Sir, number of occurrence అంటే 10 సేమ్ టైమ్స్ ఉంటే కనుక the first occurrence తీసుకొని అది రిమూవ్ చేసుకుంటాం.
So if you give that 10, which 10 will remove?
First 10.
First will remove, right? Okay. Now again list equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 only. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I want to add true at the end of the list. End of the list. Which function possible?
Append functions.
Append function possible. Only append?
Append, insert.
Append, extend, insert.
So
Possible.
three are possible for adding purpose. But in this case, at the end by default, I want to add the true. We want at the by default at the end. So which function possible now?
Append function.
Append possible.
Extend possible.
Also possible. Tell me how append possible.
Append, it is used to add elements in the last
By default.
by default.
Tell me the full syntax. Example.
LST dot append of inputs are true.
True. I want to add. True. So output will be
Output will be 10, 20, 30, 40, true.
true. Okay. Correct. In the same list, in the beginning place, I want to add A. In the same list, in the beginning, I want to add A. Then how it's possible?
LST dot insert of a comma zeros.
A comma
0.
Sure.
Yes, sir. First element.
Insert of
Yes, sir.
insert will give the two arguments.
Yes. No,
The first one.
First one is string, sir. A. Second one is index number 0.
Sure.
Extend functions.
In the beginning, I want to add. Extend will be used.
Extend can be used in between or any.
Sure.
Insert functions.
Insert. How to add? Tell me full example.
10, 20, 30. Which element we add?
10, 20, 30, 40, A is there. So true is there. In the beginning, we want to add A.
Yeah. Then LST dot insert 10
First.
comma A.
10 comma. Why 10?
In the beginning, not sir.
And beginning means what 10?
అంటే ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్ 0. 0 comma A.
0 comma A. 0 comma A. He said A comma 0. Which one correct? Insert of, you are saying 0 comma A. 0 means index number. A means new element. He is saying that A comma 0. Once first he is giving element, then index number is giving. Which one correct?
Sir, C is correct, sir.
Index number comma new element. Insert of where you want to add, then what you want to add. Okay, right. Now I want to add 3 elements in the beginning plus at a time. 3 elements I want to add.
Extend are used, sir.
Sure.
Sure. Yeah. Beginning times, huh?
In the beginning I want to add 3 elements at a time.
At 8.
Possible?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Insert to
Insert allows 2 arguments
two
only.
arguments, sir.
First one is the
Index number.
Second is
is the adding number.
adding number, right? Multiple not possible.
Multiple not.
At the end I want to add multiple elements.
Multiple extend are
What
possible.
we use? Extend we use. Suppose list is there, 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. At the end I want to add 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How?
Sir,
Sir. One list is there.
one list is there, sir.
LST equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 is there.
Okay.
At last I want to add 1, 2, 3, 4. New elements I want to add.
Append are used. Extend are used, sir.
Tell me how.
LST dot
Correct.
extend
Of
of
one new elements.
three
The square you have to give, right? The square you have to give 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir.
This 4 will add 1 element or 4 elements.
One element, sir.
This 4 will add as a 1 element or 4 elements.
4 elements.
4 elements there. Extend means why? Adding multiple elements. Even though give the square brackets, but they add as a separately all one separate elements 1, 2, 3, 4 separate. Okay. Next, suppose in the list, okay, 10, 20, 10, 20 is there. 10, 20, 10, 20. Ls dot remove of 10. Remove of 10. Does it remove both tens? Only one 10?
Only one
Only
tens.
one tens.
First 10 or second 10?
First 10.
First tens.
Only
First
first 10 by default removes. 2 tens possible at a time?
No, sir.
Not possible. If you want to remove both tens, you should write some program. But remove function removes only
First.
the first occurrence only. Only first
First
occurrence. Okay. Suppose in the remove function, if I give 10 comma 20, in the list we have 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. And you list that remove of 10 comma 20.
Errors,
10
sir.
comma 20 and give 2 elements. Possible?
Errors, sir.
Which are
Right.
type error. Why? Because
Only
there
one
is
or-
only one.
One argument or
But we are giving 2 elements, which are type error.
Type error.
If you don't give one element also, just list that remove empty brackets, no argument.
Right.
Type error by default removes the first or last one.
Type
Type
error.
error.
Again type error. That means what?
At least one
At least
argument
one
will be
argument.
passed.
At least one, exactly one.
Exactly one.
Exactly.
One.
At least one means what? Generally, at least one means
Zero
what?
consider.
At least one means what generally?
Minimum one.
One or more.
One or more.
One or more. Exactly one means
Only
Only
one.
one
only one.
argument.
Not above one, not below one. So now remove allows at least one or exactly one.
Exactly one.
Exactly one, not at least one. Huh? Okay. Suppose pop function also is there. And the list of pop function is there. Why pop function we use?
To remove the elements.
To remove the elements. Remove function also.
To remove the elements.
The difference.
Pop will delete by default. If we don't specify any elements, then it will delete by default.
For deleter.
Elements.
Which element? Means first one, last one, all elements.
By last one by default.
Last by default. Okay. Before that, what is the main difference between remove and pop? There is one difference, okay. But what is the main difference? One more difference is there. Remove of what we give, pop of what we give.
Remove member we will use. No?
Elements we give.
Elements we use. No?
Ah.
In pop we give index number.
Index number of the elements.
Elements.
Index number of the elements, okay.